Now again, this is back to the idea that their propaganda drives what people view and what people think of what they view. But May Day, first and foremost, was just a way of the whole family, the whole street, the whole community, the whole city, the whole country saying, and again now it's becoming the International Workers' Day, it's about the whole world celebrating the rights of individual workers and celebrating the rights of individual citizens.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at other countries around the world, there's still May Day is really big.
Well, even the people that are terrified of communism have their Labour Day.
Mm.
The Americans, they don't have it on May Day, but they have Labour Day, which is a recognition of workers' rights.
Mm-hmm. I mean, considering the city that used to be quite radical and, there's a history of that kind of thing, it really seems odd that you have to try and put it back into the minds of people.
Well, especially when Glasgow describes itself as a cooperative city. So cooperative means that there's an equal exchange. Where is the equal exchange from a city that tells you that you cannot speak in the park, you cannot eat in the park, you cannot drink, you need permission for everything. So that's not a mutual arrangement. And this is back to the idea of we need to redefine this master-slave relationship. Remember, these administrators are civil servants. They're our servants, they're public servants. They're there to do our bidding. But if we don't get together and speak to each other and come to a consensus, then they get to achieve whatever it is that their political party want them to achieve.
Which in a way is why May Day's been run down, when you think about it.
Well, again, yeah, to isolate.
Unionisation's been, unions are being kicked out. May Day it relates to workers or ordinary people getting together, talking about things, having some fun, instead of spending loads of money or shopping.
Because there's no profit in that.
Mm-hmm. But there's no reason why we can't do it. It's not difficult. You just need a few bits and pieces, a few bits of food, and go down there, and what you bring is what's there. You can sing and dance without any electricity, chat to people and feel good about yourself.
But basically use the resources before they take them away and turn them into another development opportunity apart from anything else.
Mm.
So it's organised events like this by communities that maintain the ownership of these spaces, because remember, they're owned by the common good, and if we don't assert our need to use them, then again that's seen as a stalled space and a space for development.
There's so much of the younger activists been taken in by the whole the funding managers, and it's like, we'll do this, we'll do that. Oh, we need to get funding, we need to get money. It's so the funding and the way decides whether the event's going to happen, it's not going to happen. So it has to be a simplified idea, just the meeting up, and people have to share the burden of what you're going to do, rather than try and entertain people.
Mm.
And that's what this event's about. It's about relearning that process of doing things together.
It's about de-labelling yourself for a day. We're all human beings, irrespective of the colour of our skin or our sexuality or our appearance. We're human beings first and foremost, and a day like May Day allows us to de-label and exchange views freely without any repercussions. The whole point is that discussion from different groups with different agendas leads to a common agenda and a common viewpoint.
Yeah, share our problems and share what each individual or group are doing about the problems and what we can do together to solve these problems, and they create some solidarity across wider areas of people. And you can do all that and it doesn't cost any money.